back to my channel. I am Emareé. In today's video we're going to be doing how to put on lashes 101, eyelash extensions, y'all. It's gonna be summertime, it's gonna be hot, and I know you guys want to put them lashes on, and I'm always the one that everybody go to asking how to put lashes on, because if you know me, you know I love the long dramatic lashes. I even have my own lash line as well. All the information about my lash brand will be linked in the description box down below, just in case you want to check it out and get you some new lashes for 2021 summer period, because y'all know we was on lockdown last summer, so you got to be outside this summer and you got to be outside with your lashes on, period. But if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. You want to be notified every time I post a video, period. But if you are not new, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with the video, y'all. I'm back. I know I've been gone for long and I got some tea to tell y'all. Also, disclaimer before I even start this video, I know this is not related to the video, but sadly, y'all, YouTube removed my epitome video. I will get into that when I turn the video for the tea. But I am going to be doing a epitome Q&A, so if you got any questions or feel like I haven't answered your question in the video, you can inbox me on Instagram. My Instagram, we will put it right here. You can inbox me on Instagram, and I'll be doing an epitome Q&A and also an update video on my journey with the epitome. The reason why you came is to learn how to put these lashes on. Enough rambling. We're going to hop right into the video. Okay, so these are not the lashes I'm going to be put on to show you guys today. These are the lashes I'm going to use to demonstrate the do's and don'ts before you even get to the part of applying the lash. And disclaimer, this video I'm going to be putting on the lash with my fingers because I do not know how to put lashes on with tweezers. I taught myself how to use my fingers, so I'm going to teach you guys because I feel like it's so much easier. So the lashes that I'm going to be using is part of my lash brand. It's called Lash by E. It's called Lash by E, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using to demonstrate right now. So before you get a lash, you're going to want to take it off the lash tray. You can use your fingers or tweezers, either one. And before you even put the lash on, you're going to see part of some excess what am I trying to say? The excess band you see is like a piece right there and a piece on that end. So for that, you're gonna just take your scissors and cut in a slanted motion, and then it will look like this. See, you know, excess lash band. And the reason like that is because mink lashes lash band is thicker than synthetic, so it gives you more room to actually put the lash on your eye and kind of like size it out. And if it's too big, you can always cut. And if you do have to cut your lash, cut on the end part, never in the beginning, because the beginning is the smallest side. You want to cut on this end if it's too long. That's another tip to know the difference between your left and right one, because it's the insides is small. Like you see that smaller and that smaller, so you know which one to go on. But to the part that you actually came for, how to actually put on lashes. So these are 22, and these are the lashes from my lash brand as well. So I know some people use hair glue. Use whatever works for you, but me, I personally use actual eyelash glue, and the eyelash glue I use is Emareé by Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe vera. This is the lash glue that I use. Focus, focus, focus. This is the lash glue that I use, and you can actually find this glue in the eyelash aisle at your local beauty supply store. This right here, $3. It's $3, I think. Yes, this is $3. But hear me out, y'all. Hear me out. It lasts. It works, and period. So I'm going to be using a mirror to apply my lashes. So you're going to take some eyelash glue, and you're going to put it on your lash band. You're going to put a thick enough amount. Not too much, not too little, but a thick enough amount. And once you got that on there, you're going to want to let it sit for about 30 seconds because you want your glue to be tacky before you immediately apply it to your lash. Your lash like this. like this. Okay, so first you're going to want to put the lash up to your eyelash and align it with your natural lash line. And then once you do that, you want to make sure it's aligned right, and you're going to push it down into your actual lashes. And then once you feel that you got it aligned right, you want to press your real lash and the eyelash extension together. Okay, so just above this lash band, you can see, as Ross said, make sure the glue is tacky. I didn't let this fully sit, and you can see it's glue at the top of the lash band, but if that happens, you can just use your finger and wipe it off, and it'll come right off. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope you guys took my tip to put on your lashes. I hope I explained it more in detail, because every time I tell somebody to put lashes on verbally, they never can understand me. So I try to say, maybe if I do a video and show them what I mean, they will get it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to thumbs this video up and comment down some more video ideas you'd like to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!